Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this crispy fried chicken. It's very crispy outside and very moist inside. You will definitely love this. So if today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Can you do subscribe to my channel? Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first persons to be notified. So now without wasting my time, let's dive right in. So I have my nicely chopped chicken wings. You can use any part of the chicken of your choice. Next, I'll go ahead and wash this chicken very well. So to a clean bowl, I'll add in my chicken. Moving forward, I'll go in with some white natural vinegar. You can also use lemon juice or any other thing that you can use to clean your meat. Alright, so I'll go in with some salt as well. I'll add some water to it. I'll wash it very well until it's nice and well cleaned. Remember as well to clean this for about 2 to 3 times until it's nice and perfect. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, so after cleaning the chicken very well, I'll transfer it into my cooking pot and I'll be cooking this until it's nice and juicy. So now let's transfer everything into the cooking pot. Afterwards, I'll go in with my seasoning of choice, and for seasoning I'll be using garlic ginger paste, meat seasoning powder. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some chicken seasoning as well and some salt to taste. Feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. I'll not add any water to it. I'll just cover it and I'll allow it to cook until it's nice and juicy. And after about 10 to 15 minutes, I am back to check on it, and as you can see, the aroma that is coming out from this meat smells really good and I just love it. And it has really released a lot of water and that's just perfect. So I'll give it a good mix. I will cover it for the last time for about 10 to 15 minutes and afterwards it should be ready. Alright, so we are back to check on the meat and as you can see, it's looking all good and just perfect. So at this point it's ready, so I'll remove everything from the pot and I'll allow it to cool down completely before I'll move to the next step. So whilst we're waiting patiently for the chicken to get ready, I'll add some flour to a different bowl. This is all-purpose flour. You can use self-raising flour for this as well. Next, I'll add some cornstarch. Moving forward, I'll go in with some garlic, ginger and onion powder, salt to taste and a little bit of curry powder. I have the recipe on my channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. Next, I will stir everything together until everything is nice and well incorporated. Alright, so now the chicken has cooled down completely, so I'll start by coating the chicken with the flour. After the chicken is nice and well coated with the flour, I'll transfer the chicken into this cold water and I'll leave it for about 10 seconds, and afterwards I'll transfer it back into the flour and I'll recoat it for the second time and the chicken should be perfect. I'll repeat the same process on all the chickens until it's nice and ready. Whilst we're enjoying the coating of this chicken, let me also remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't done that yet, kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Don't forget as well to share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now I'm going to coat the rest of the chicken off camera. So whilst that is going on, let's start by heating our oil so that we can start to fry our chicken. And remember as well to allow the oil to really heat up very well and also go in with enough oil to fry the chicken. So we're going to fry on high heat until everything turns into the perfect golden brown color that we're looking for. Whilst that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly do well to subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell. At any time I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after frying the chicken for about 15 minutes, this is how it turned out. It turned out very crispy. The inside looks very moist and the outside very crispy, and it's just perfect. So I'll repeat the same process for the second time until all the chickens are well fried. Alright, so our second batch is also ready and it turned out so great as well. Fam, let me know in the comment section what you think about this crispy fried chicken. It turned out so good and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoy to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.